doing? You too.
How about you go?
See. They're hungry babies. I'm almost positive.
You like that? Sunflower stuff?
They're hungry.
Full of it.
Oh my gosh, babe, what is that?
I don't want to jump from the fence over our faces. That would not be pleasant.
They're not afraid at all.
Yeah.
That's scary. Babe, be careful. Somebody's been feeding them.
Yeah, I think so.
Should we get dry cat food and maybe try and move them to... I just don't want them around the ducks. Just let them have it. Don't leave it there, though.
Well, how much let them have it if I don't leave it there?
Oh, this one's got more things on it. I don't want to feed you stupid things, but
Alright, how about that one?
I'm pretty sure Mom just got hurt.
Is that better? Are they eating the sunflowers?
I can't tell.
Or was he just grabbing it because he was antagonized?
They just have no fear. I've never seen that. No, I don't want you in my yard. Quit being so dang cute. They're eating the berries off of this. This is why we need a big dog. Right here. Although, I wonder if they try and hurt my big dog.
They wouldn't try to hurt the big dog. They would definitely hurt our little one.
Oh, I know. That's why Emmy, he started making noises and woke me up. And I knew what it was. I was like, I know it's the raccoons. And I said, I'm not taking you guys out there because you're so small. All right. At least they moved away from the ducks. And the chickens are... Oh, BB gun was definitely worthless. Huh?
It's not a BB gun.
What was that?
Airsoft.
Oh, airsoft. Wow. At this point, we came back inside wet and cold and snuggled back in bed and talked about how we can start fortifying the bird areas out there a little bit more and possibly investing in an electric fence. I don't mind them eating the leftover things that are going to be on the outside of my tunnels, but I don't want them eating my birds and my plants inside. Just wanted to share a kind of scary evening with you guys and just have the evidence of the little boogers in my yard. Next year, I'm going to definitely try to plant more things for them to eat on the outside of my tunnels. And maybe even into that drainage ditch that we live next door to that I know that they live in. My heart hurts because I'm pretty sure their mama got hurt pretty bad last night and they're just trying to survive, but I've got to protect mine too. This crazy year, crazy nature, crazy weather. Thanks for joining us. Grow as you go. We'll see you next time.